This is one of the A40 race cars we look after. That's the owner. And had a clutch problem last time out on Silverstone Grand Prix circuit. I thought it was actually going to be the clutch fork that had packed up. There is excessive play in the clutch fork, so we'll need to change that. But what often happens, this thing here snaps because we've got quite a, either there or there, we've got a quite heavy clutch, 7.5 inch clutch, and it's just more strain than that item can take, even though that's an uprated one with an oil seal in it. But what has actually happened, the main issue is the clutch is broken. So the straps that stop the clutch from moving around and take the torque up have bust. That one there is completely broken. That one there is completely broken as well. And around this side here, yeah, that's gone. They've all three of them have all gone. They've all bust. So new clutch fork, clean it down, do the oil and filter change while we're in there, put it all back together again, and that's it, off we go. It's always been a bit of a leaky one, this one. I think it's to do with the, hasn't got a rear main oil seal gasket on it, but they're useless anyway, and it's relying on the in actual fact, it has got a rear main oil seal gasket on this one. Well, as I was about to say, they're useless. Well, there you go. They are. It didn't work at all. Sometimes you're better off with just the original scroll on there. Anyway, so this is a full race 1293 engine running on these whacking great SU carburetors that it has on them, twin HIF 44s. And it's all going to go back together and be ready for another season in the HRDC very, very soon.